Hi, it's your girl Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be talking about natural hairstyles. So when we think of natural hairstyles, we often think about, braid outs and twist outs. But today I'm going to be doing a slick back. That's often a forgot about style. A classic slick back can be done so well and pulled off with so many looks. And it's one of my favorite go-tos, so I figured I could share it with you guys. Okay, so I just washed my hair. I deep conditioned and detangled it. And my hair texture after a wash is going to be about 3B. But my curls get tighter as they dry and they come to a final 3C. This is usually what a 3C curl pattern looks like. I know some of y'all are probably thinking, what's going on? What's the word with this? I cut some bangs and they're just growing out, so they're just kind of freestyling. That's another thing about natural hair. I heard the natural bang is in. I see it a lot, like in high fashion. I could, pursue a natural bang look, but I just feel like I look like a little poodle or something. Or like a 80s wig, like a wig from the 80s. Some Tina Turner type. The first step to my natural slick back today is going to be the part. Now, with a slick back, you could either go middle or side. I choose to go middle just because it's the most classic. It takes the least amount of time, so on and so forth. So, once I get my middle part together and just comb my hair out a little bit, this is how it ends up looking. So I might need to do some touch-ups with this part, but basically you're just gonna do a straight middle part to the points of your head. Because it's a slick back, we're not gonna go all the way back. It's not as if we're doing braids. We're not doing feed-ins, we're not doing add-ons. So because it's gonna be in a ponytail, which, as you can see, basically the ponytail wouldn't work if you don't stop your part right at the top of your head anyway. So yeah, just go to the point. I'm gonna go ahead and fix this part real quick. Now for the next step of my slick back, I'm gonna take this Eden coconut Shea, what is it? It's a natural hair pudding souffle moisturizer. It's one of the best moisturizers I've came across, by the way. I highly recommend you invest in it. And I'm very cheap, so I don't like spending my money on expensive hair products. But this hair souffle is worth all of the hype and all the moisture that comes along with it. I'm going to moisturize my hair with this and just get my head all over, top to bottom, boom, boom, boom. Our final step to the slick back is slicking it back. I am basic. I use Eco Style because it's the best gel out. I either use the crystal, which is the clear one, or the olive oil. I have the olive oil right now. It's max hold. It has a 10 hold. And I start out with a little bit bigger than a quarter size to spread that over the top of my head. I don't really get the ends that much, even though the ends should have a little shine and gel hold to them just because they will be in a bun. Now, if you guys do find a gel that works a little bit better, that holds a little harder, please leave a comment below. And here you have your slickety slick back. Until next time, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I need your feedback in order to make better videos, create content that caters to you guys, and help that hair out. Until next week, it's been real.